Hello, welcome to A VO's Journey. My name is Anthony Pica, and this show is all about helping the new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their business and sidestep all the crazy things that I always step on. I hope you are having a great Wednesday. That was a slow fade in because I do feel like it. But today we're going to talk about our websites and the importance of having the right type of website. I see so many voice actors with just a one-page website. And I think for many years, this has kind of been one of those things where in order to help voice actors, other people, other businesses have tried to say, hey, listen, you only need one website. It's or one page on your website. It's super simple, super easy. So here you go. We'll help you build a one page. That's all you need. But the reality is that's just not true. I mean, you need way more than one page on your website. We're going to talk about that today. Real quick, make sure you check out the link below. We're still doing our $24 for 2024 special. So just $24 to start out for the first month of A VO's Journey Elite Academy. Come check us out there. You'll have the link below to sign up. So, part of this push, like I was talking about in the other videos this week for 2024 is building through your strategy, and your website is a big part of that. But so many people start, like I got to get a website up and one page is enough. I'm just going to put my picture up there, some of my demos, maybe some information about my studio, and a form to fill out, right? To contact me to book me for work. So that sounds great, right? I mean, it sounds, well, that's super simple. I mean, I can put that together. But what happens is that a couple things. One, with a one-page website, no one is ever going to find you online. They're just never going to find you, right? I mean, because Google will never push a one-page website. Also, unless you are actively going around the country, meeting people, handing them cards, directing them specifically to your website, or you're running ads, you're spending a lot of money to drive people to your website, right? They're never going to get there. And if they do happen upon it, right, the likelihood is they're not even going to know what it is about. And here's the worst part. They'll only ever go one time. So the challenge with a one-page website is that if you have people who come to your website, they're only going to ever come one time. So they don't need you at that moment. Why would they ever come back? There's nothing on the site for them. There's no information. There's no education. There's no new material, right? There's just, it's literally like a online portfolio that, you know what I mean? That you would need to send people there constantly who are already ready to buy. And as we know, some of the numbers on our previous thing, less than 3%, I think it's even less than that, of anybody that you reach out to is ready to buy. We know that, right? People aren't just ready to buy when you reach out to them. Okay. So, unless they are in that mode that they're really ready to buy, you're not going to get that business. And on top of that, if they're not ready to buy, right, which we indicated most people aren't, they're never going to come back. They're going to forget about you. They're not, they're going to go to places that they're going to, most likely they'll go back to Google, type in voice actor something, and all the platforms will pop up. So the key to building your website, right, is to have a layout where you have a homepage, right? But you also have offerings on that page of the different genres that you work with. Or if you're in a niche, right, you build out that homepage, and then the website itself, there is education on there through a blog. There is offerings with different pages of the different types of things that you do in that niche, right? Explanations of it, guides for people. There, you make it a reason for them to be there other than just purchasing from you. Okay? And there needs to be more than them just to purchase from you. Because if not, they, like I said, they won't come back to you. And that's the whole premise around building a site that's more than one page. Okay. There should be an about me page. What if they want to learn more about you? There should be a separate page that has your best portfolio, probably video type portfolio work on there, right? Of voiceovers, you've done that on video, so you can show that. There needs to be specific offering different pages, like, for example, commercial, TV, radio, meditation, audiobooks, e-learning, explainer videos, podcasting, all of the video game characters, all these things. And if you break that down into niche, right, you're going niche areas, well, then each one of those pages becomes a landing page with a specific call to action where we're trying to get them to sign up for our newsletter or our drip email sequence, right, to nurture those leads. So that's the importance of having a website, and why one page website, is kind of like just a placeholder. Okay, it's like an online business card, and business cards only work if you are constantly passing them out. And the people who are going to them at that moment that you give it to them, they need you at that moment. If they don't need you at that moment, which will be 97 to 98% of people that you reach out to or you contact, they're never going to come back to your website, and you will just turn your head in circles trying to get that work. Okay. All right. I hope that this gave you kind of an overview and a help of why one-page websites, we need to build them out into bigger ones. Okay. And don't forget to check out that link below to Avio's Journey Elite Academy and our $24 for 2024. You like my fancy slogan there, but it works. And I would love for you guys to check it out. So I hope to see you soon. Have a great Wednesday. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.